Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Monday, March 30th, almost April 1st. Amazing how time flies. Feels like it was just New Year's, but it's not. So, um, what I want to do is show you how we maximize every single day um, our profits, and also make profits almost every single day or every couple of days, depending on what we are doing. So for this trade here, we're going to use SPY. And no, I'm not going to give you all the information, but I am going to show you what we did here. So we wrote this down beautifully, okay, and there were reasons for that. And we wanted to maximize the trade. We wanted to get from an upper relative strength index to a lower, and we rode the whole trend to the downside. Now, running the trend to the downside and finding that support, we took the profit off of this set of candles right here, and our main set of profit was after this gap was filled, so we were able to ride even more. So that was huge percent right there. Now, what we were watching for was a solid bottom to come into play after we really got hammered down to 8. You know, the market's broken. It is what it is. So um, we manage these trades live all day in the chat room, so you can't beat this. So we were in a complete downtrend for quite some time here, and yesterday we sold all our puts. We knew it was oversold, and it was time to get some calls. I'm sorry, that was Thursday. Thursday we were doing that. So we were managing our entries on that, and we wanted to first get this little gap filled right here. So what we did when we got it down in this area here at 204.28, which was almost the perfect low, we started to lock in the calls. And our first position was right here. That was our first target. So in staggered purchasing, meaning that we had a plan for where it was going to go. And I'm not going to show you that because I can't give away all the secrets. But we're not there yet. We're almost there. Even though we're up here today, we're still not where we should be. So this was a beautiful ride right here from Thursday and Friday. And on Friday, it did break this trend line, even though it was just a flat day. It did break this trend line and also rocketed today, as you can see here. But as it broke the trend line, there was no reason to sell. It was a key to continue this hold and ride to the upside. So you can see here that the relative strength index rocketed up here, and here we go again. We're way up high again. So the profit taken on this was a little over 400% on the way up. It was a little 600, about 600% on the way down from our calls. So what you want to do is get with us and manage these trades, and this you could do this with anything. We also have a seminar coming up in New York. We'll let you know about that pretty soon. You definitely don't want to miss that. It's going to be a day and a half, 2 day session. So make sure you're part of that. But yeah, this is the way we do it. You know, we're managing it so you're taking your profits as you need to and maximizing the trade and teaching you how to do it at the same time. All right, this is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Make sure you become a member and trade with us today. Because you know, if you chase Tesla today, that wasn't a good move. You know, if you're trading Apple off the bottom, that was a great move. So we're on all these stocks. So if you're doing option stocks, it doesn't matter. We're covering everything in all time frames. Okay, this is Matt, and members, we have a great video tonight, so you make sure you check that out. Some super strategies. Okay, everyone, have yourself a fantastic night.